The Kisii University, we have a lot of plans for. That's why we came here, because some of you don't even know that this university is this good. The last time I got an interview, Margaret Kachkuli une chumbu kai, rogor kabatere ramochega, morale una cheole chekodaki chingia. In fact, the next time,
yes,
una banda abate te virogo ko enda torega barangiri ya wacha debate ya wana wole maswali.
Yes,
I do the debate whether it is governor, whether it is MCA, whether,
yes,
you can introduce this, let people talk,
yes,
whether it's president or whatever.
Yes.
Right. So Kisii University has done well, and that's why Navate is doing mentoring that other university. But the main thing that we want to do for this university is to introduce ecosia engineering. We are working towards ensuring that Kisii University, one of the first universities this side of the country, right, offer engineering. Kera University offer engineering around here. So that's what we are working on. I am already working on a cabinet memo to colleagues na kibit tororego sempato that institution so that it becomes engineering department here university. That's one of the key support or changes that we want to do. The other thing we want to do is for them to support Kisii School and the schools around here in terms of mentoring them,
yes,
including partner na Kisii School, Korosi swimming pool or two around here, so that the three pathways where sports science, at least it can facility swimming as well. So we have a number. We have already done an agreement with the Ministry of Housing. The president will be coming here to launch the hostels that are 840 bed capacity, but also there's a student village that they are going to do here. We want to make this university a model university, and Professor is here. He has done a very good job. I know a number of the other professors here and the other students. Yesterday we were talking about ensuring that a university yetebase kutoka kebwate amadeni kebwate chi problem chirichi university ndiche kolete chi atwalire kera, it becomes very hard ko konya egere etokonyera abana baito guy. So it is doing well, and as a government we are supporting it. So there are many programs that we want to improve on. The other partners we brought, we were here the other day with a team from Heri who have organized. There's an office there. There are many programs that they are doing as a center for research in this place. Yes. So a university is going to be central. I've already discussed Netimwe.
Yes.
Another thing we want to do is want them to lead the education conference in this place.
Yes.
Lead education sector a depository, for example, and we discussed this again yesterday.
Yes.
Institution ya culture. As you will understand the history of Mugusi, a museum yetonero, so we want this university to be the one to lead that. So to a number of programs to a university.
Yes.
And you know, in society, it is the university that solves the community's problems.
Yes.
Not the other way. So whatever problem we have, we'll bring it here. That's why we are here. I told them we have a problem, I'm going to be interviewed, I have no place. And then there is a hall here. So they've solved our problem.
Yes.
Isn't it? And that's why they are
okay with that.
Yes.